have you joined any institute?
No, I did not join it. In the beginning, I started watching the videos of those teachers, American teacher, Los Angeles, America. I'm sure you would have heard the name, Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Yeah, this is
No.
the city of America.
Okay. Okay, I'll check. I'll check. After
Yeah,
concluding our session, I will check.
yeah. So, would you please introduce yourself now?
Okay, so my name is Rimpi Chakravarti. I come from West Bengal. I'm a homemaker. I'm blessed with one child and simultaneously I'm a part-time YouTuber. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I have quite a few number of hobbies, but my prime hobby is listening to music because it floats my boat. So that's it. This is my short introduction. Yeah. Oh,
Okay. So, when you started your journey of learning English?
I have been working on my communication skills for 2 years.
For the last 2 years.
Yes.
Okay. So, did you join any kind of coaching, or
Ye-
you had
No.
joined?
Yes, I have joined. I conducted session from Englishary, and after that, yes, I've at first of all I conducted session from Clapping, and after that I joined Englishary.
Okay. So, it means you had to pay some money, right?
Yes, I had to pay something.
Yeah. Have you learned different accents too?
No. I never ever focused on my accent, to be honest, because my main purpose is very clear. I want to learn this language and I want to be fluent in this language. So this is my first priority. And I never ever thought about like no
No, no.
regarding accent.
I am talking about understanding. Can you understand foreigners?
Oh, for yes. Okay, sorry, it's my bad. Yes, I can understand.
Yeah, this is what I wanted to ask actually.
Yes. Yes, I
You
can
know,
understand because
sometimes.
I conducted session with one native speaker in like no years. Maybe yes, 1 year. Yes, 1 year is completed. Yes, I conducted one session with one native speaker. His name is Jack,
From which country?
USA.
USA. Okay. Actually, normally it is very tough to understand the accent.
Yes.
I mean, right?
Yes, and for me, like no, compared to American accent, British accent is very tough.
Which one?
British
British.
and
No, but to
yes,
be honest,
British very tough. I feel, which I feel that British accent is very tough, as well as like no that because they skip that R, water. We normally say water. We say in Indian according in Indian pronunciation we say that like no water, but they don't say that water. They say water. So it is quite difficult for me
actually,
sometimes.
what you are talking about American English. Water, this is water. Would you like to have
Oh,
a glass of water, better, greater? All these kind of things are there. And these kind of things are found in American English and not in British. Because in British English, R is always silent when it comes in the end of a word. So in American English, it is always water and not water.
no. I watched like no some kind of some videos. I was earlier in. I used to follow that he was also British. So most of the time, like no, when I heard that it's not they then say that, like no, or if I talk about the Australian accent, so when they say like no, it's when they pronounce like we say today today, but when in Australian accent they never ever say like no today, they say today today, but when we
Yeah,
had that means to die.
yeah, it is today.
Today we say today, but they say in according to Australian accent they say mostly they pronounce today. Have you ever come today? So it is quite difficult. But
Yeah,
overall, my main purpose is I just want to learn this language, and my Indian accent is really good, superb. So because I never ever will go another others country, foreigner country, So I'm happy with it. Just I wanna learn this language. My main purpose.
Yeah, I wanted to say this thing that at least we should understand them. If we can understand, then it's okay, no problem.
Yes, yes.
As you said, water. It is really
What?
tough for someone to understand water.
Yes, water. Yes, and they like no American accent and British accent. It's them that biscuit, biscuit like that they pronounce. So it's quite difficult.
This
Cookies, cookies,
cookie, yeah.
cookies, biscuit. So yeah, and normally in India, normally say the biscuit.
Yeah, you're right. And lift and elevator and lift. Film and
Yes,
movie.
yes.
Yeah, there
Film.
are some.
Yes, that I used to follow one channel earlier. So one person, one anchor, they she used to speak like no, she used to talk in American accent, and that person, male person, used to talk, used to speak in British accent. So earlier I used to follow that channel, but I forget, I can't recall that channel name. So from there I have learned so many words. Like no, normally we say that secondary, but British pronunciation they said the British pronunciation they say the secondary, but American pronunciation they say secondary, like something. So I heard
Yeah,
lots of words from them.
yeah. Only a bit difference is there between both the accents or English. We can say that's it. There is not a big difference,
So
right?
tell me that like no about your journey, that how long have you been learning this language, and as you told me that you were working on your pronunciation. So what do you do?
No, actually, I bought some books that was recommended by my teachers. So I bought the books, and after that, I read all the words, one word, pronunciation of all the words, how these words are pronounced, how those words are pronounced, everything from Oxford, Cambridge, and some other kind of dictionaries that I was recommended by my foreign teachers. And after that, I am capable of understanding them well.
So you told me that you didn't join any course. So how did you connect with a foreigner, with native speaker?
Foreigners, actually on the YouTube, they also put some videos after recording. So I watched some videos from there. And after that, the teacher told us about this thing that
Okay,
you guys want to learn this accent, so you can buy these kind of books.
okay.
And
Through that,
whenever
you purchased book.
wherever I had some problems at that time, I watched the videos of that teacher from there.
It's good. So overall, you speak really well, no doubt. So why? So what's your main purpose? That what do you wanna do?
No, I want to become an English trainer. English
Sorry.
trainer. A person English trainer. Is it okay
Okay.
now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Sometimes your voice is breaking, so that's why. Okay.
maybe.
Okay. So do you have channel, any YouTube channel?
Yes. My YouTube channel's name is Global English Zone. Zone.
Okay, you will send a link. You will send a link.
Yeah, if you want to watch these kind of videos, like how to understand Americans, Britishers, how Russian people speak, the people from Rus, how they speak, how people from Portuguese, how do they speak, and how Chinese speak. All these kind of rules are given there. I have taught all these things.
Okay, that means you. So what kind of videos do you upload? Like no conversational or solo? What kind of?
No, those videos were related to English. I mean, conceptual English rules about understanding different people from different countries. How do they speak and how we speak, right? What kind of things, what kind of difference we can see in different people. Like, when Rasan speak, they say, there was a teacher with whom I met there.
Okay.
Yeah, so how these differences come?
Sorry?
And I mean, there are
You.
some differences.
Yes, yes.
What
Everybody's
kind of
accent.
Yeah, you complete first.
No. You go ahead. Actually, I'm saying that like no that U.S. accents and Russian accents, everyone's accent is different.
Yeah, but how can we understand this thing? That
Just
in which
by yes, so just by watching their videos.
no, if we meet them in our real life at that time, if someone is speaking before us,
Okay, so yes. So I think that no, but I have noticed that like no, when I watch so many videos of, do you know that Ashutosh Trivedi?
sorry, I have
Ashu,
not watched.
okay. So Ashu, he is very famous on this platform. So most of the time he conducts a session with like no foreigners. So when I watch his videos, I clearly understand what a native speakers is saying.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to know the reason behind these things. Why these things are different. Actually, I'm very interested in this field. That's why I like doing these kind of things.
That's good. That's good. Yes, you have a big dream and you wanna fulfill your dream. So I think yeah. So nowadays, these days, like no, you teach student.
Well, I have not started my coaching, but I'm about to start it very soon. Actually, some
Okay,
days of work were left, so I thought first of all I should complete them, and after that I will start it.
okay. That's
These days,
good.
I make only conversational videos. Otherwise, I used to make some these kind of videos, knowledgeable videos from where we can learn.
So do you think that conversation? Do you think conversational video is helpful for viewers, for beginners?
Yes, it is, of course, because a kind of confidence comes inside us. Just think that we are this much big, right? This much old, and if there is a person who is, 38 or 40 years old, right?
Mid
Or
of the
just
40, mid of the 50.
if he watches the videos and he thinks this thing that if they are this much younger than me and they are speaking English, so why can't we do it? There are some kids, even they speak English.
Yes.
So
When
students
we
who are
watch each video, we get motivations. When like no, yeah, older person watch our videos, they get motivation from
yeah.
our videos.
So whenever the kids speak at that time, the students of our age, when they watch those videos, they also get motivated. They think that if these kids can do this thing, why can't we?
Yes. True.
Right?
But what happened? Yes, why I have raised this question? The reason behind it, like no, these days everybody is doing the same thing. So I think that viewers and the big English learners are little bit confused that which video should they watch.
No.
These days, everybody is doing the same thing, conversational videos they upload.
Yeah, that is right. But I think that first of all, they should see their qualification, and after that, they should try to follow them. Whatever teacher someone wants to choose, first of all, he should know about him, what he has done, and what he is doing at this time.
Okay.
Yeah, after that, we can believe.
Video
It,
like
it,
no, being a learner, which video helpful for me? Like no, I know that my level. So if suppose my level is like no, I can say that I'm not a intermediate level. So which video will be helpful for me? I should watch those kind of videos instead of
yeah,
watching any videos
everyone.
like no beginners
And
videos, and some of them like no very beginner but they are uploading their videos. So I appreciate that, but somehow I can see that yes, but okay, and sometimes it's also I can say that in some people they are unable to speak but still their videos goes viral and they gets good subscribers. But
maybe people like watching them. Otherwise, I cannot say anything else.
yes.
You know,
Okay, you have any questions so you can ask me.
do you teach students?
No, I don't teach students. But
Do you have?
whereas I got a message from my viewers that they wanna learn English from me.